Hello, I have news because two beautiful Lakota grandmothers are coming to Belgium. One of them is my Ina, which means my mother. She adopted me, and she has a beautiful foster home for children. And her dream is to provide a safe home full of love for children that are in need. And I've seen in the past 10 years a lot of children there who really got their lives back on track because they receive love. It's so important for these children that are coming from the poorest reservation in the United States, which is called Pine Ridge. And these children are street children, abandoned, and they come home there in that foster home that Barbara Dullknife is providing, and it's her dreams for very long time. And now she has a second dream that we all want to realize now. We are a team of a lot of people who want to build a house on her land in Lakota. But she will tell you all about it when she's here. And her sister will join her, and that's Delmarie Bradfield. And they will share beautiful stories of wisdom with us. So this is unique to have two sisters who are wise grandmothers, and they will pull us in their wisdom circle. So be welcome. Oha.